Leibak Asi Meepal Tangdaba Leibak Oihannaba Hougatlakliba Naha Shing Shemgatnaba Hotnaminasi HAINA Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor and LOKENDRA PHONGDORAKLI Brexit Bharat Youth Parliament Imphal West Middle Kendra Sindunangasi Manipur University Court Hall the Pangtokhiba Brexit Bharat District Youth Parliamentary Festival 2025 with Tharam the Wafam Asi Phongdokladuna Mahana Makatana Hai Asigumba Youth Parliament ki Tharam Ama Pangtok Asi Afaba Khongthang Amane Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki asanba midyeng ama oiriba Brexit Bharat ase pangphaunanaba honariba asida asigumba Youth Parliament Festival ase yamna mathau tai masina naha kayagi tunggi lambi ama semba ngamgadoribane festival asida saruk yariba sing asina makhoi gi wakhalda fauriba sing adu puna khangminabagi tanja amasu oiragani haina mahana makha tana phongdokhe thauram aduda retired IPS officer S Manaupe atopa ming Khairan Thaba Amade Nehru Yuva Kendra Imphal West District Deputy Director Dr. S. Dhanachandra Sarugake.
In the first Youth Parliamentary Festival, the number was relatively less, but it kept on increasing, and this year we are expecting that the participants in the Youth Parliamentary Festival will be increased to our expected and the desired number. Today, the festival will be some kind of a competition among all of you to participate in a state level festival which is going to be held on 26th of March at the Manipur State Assembly, and that parliamentary festival which is going to be held at Manipur State Assembly will be chaired either by the Honourable Speaker or one of his nominees, maybe an Honourable member. After that, you will have to go and participate in the national level, say, competition.